Okay, my dad, he is fishing right now. He's trying to catch some fish. He's getting some big ones. We've been swimming. We're gonna put these in the our little swimming pool.
You ready, Kay?
And we're gonna and we're going to put them in the little pool so that we can look at them and play with them. And we're feeling nice right now. Yeah, we really are. He's catching some big fish. This is a bucket full of them. Yeah, there's some big ones. We caught a big fish. We found one that stayed. We haven't found any alligator guys yet. Yeah, but we haven't seen snakes. See this little pool back here? You don't see it. Ooh. See that little thingy over there? It's way back there, that little blue thing. That's a pool. So my dad, he's fishing. And some minnows. This is how the lake looks right now. Looks pretty good. Is that dark out right now? It's not that dark. Yeah. Feeling nice.
Got a perch?
Yeah, I just found a fish right now. Trying to get it in. It's a good one. Oh, it's hard for me to watch.
You're a good skin perch, Kay.
It's really good. It's hard for me to watch, so the fish for you and turn down. That big. We're out with the trees looking all. It's pretty scary out here. That's my dad, and now it's in. Bring back around. We found a little bag right there. There's a lot of stuff. A pool out there. Still can't believe it. Yeah, there's a lot of snakes on here. Haven't seen any yet. Here's my cousin Dylan.
Got a couple, Kay.
Come on. We're trying to get to there. Right here. Oh, right here. I want to get one.
There you go, bud.
Tell me what. Ooh, I got one too.
Alright, it's time to go.
Look. Woo, we're going,
We got a bunch
baby.
today.
We're going, baby.
Good can
Yeah,
of
we're about to leave. This is him right now. Rolling his net up. This is how the lakes look. We're just now leaving on our... We haven't took a boat yet. Yeah, we really haven't. There's a lot of stuff around here. Look, I found the bag.
Yeah, that's right.
Just found the bag right here. Maybe we're gonna take it home. Maybe
Sure.
fine. Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Sure, you're gonna wear it.
Okay. Can I get it on your shoulders again?
Sure can. Let's turn this off though.
No. Okay.
You got it?